In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo or image on your Emergent AI web app. Now, if you want to check out Emergent AI for yourself, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can check it out from down there. So to actually add logo or image, I'm referring to this one up here. So if you have like a web app or web page and you have like your logo or whatever in the top left over here inside your preview, you can change this by simply giving your agent a quick command. So I'm just going to tell it, change logo to the image I uploaded and the logo text to IHT Pizza, okay? So I'm gonna also upload the image. You have to upload your logo as well. Click on attach files here and then select a file from your computer. I'm just gonna select my YouTube channel logo over here, which I just screenshotted. There we go. And I'm going to click attach one files. And whenever it attaches, there we go, as you can see, it's done. I can just click on this button here to send the message, and this is going to basically wait for the agent, and then it's going to process, and it's essentially going to add the logo or image, and I'm going to show you the result whenever that's done. Okay, so as you can see, it's now done processing, and it's done exactly what I requested over here inside the preview. It changed my logo, and it changed the text as well. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.